like it's Fall Fest again.
Last year. Is it? I loved it. It had 5 minutes. I've heard it's my
Park closed 10 minutes ago.
Do you guys know what's happening with the audio that's supposed to be like this, like 5 or 6 or whatever?
Yeah, they had to order a new auxiliary port from AliExpress. I don't know. I think with the whole air gates thing,
Just